I was going.
Yeah, you're going about like that. Just get it for pleasure. And he's going somewhere, yet he's set out.
So he would be in the old model pleasure.
Well, in the
If
show,
he
yeah,
was in it.
yeah. See, in the show fun, he's gonna go against every, yeah,
Movement there is.
yeah. The big trouble he's gonna have is when that Heartland, sorry, or Funland, Heartland, Heartland something, he's gonna be tough. He's just so freaky.
Who's got that?
Mosako.
Mosako.
But you can't drive it. This guy's good too. I mean, and the most of the time, you just don't see it overnight when they first put the shoes on, because he really hasn't learned how to carry the weight. Woo!